Hi guys, I'll teach you how to cook tandoori chicken. Just marinate the chicken with this one. It depends how much you want. Like as long as it's covered with this paste, tandoori paste. This is good brand. Try to have a look in Asian shop. Yep, then put a little bit of salt and yeah, put it in the oven. Then I'll be back. Hi guys, so our tandoori chicken is cooked already after 40 minutes in the oven with a 180 to 200 degrees Celsius in the oven. Yeah, how do you know that it's already cooked? See, you can see a little bone coming out. Yeah, most of them like that, so it's already cooked. So this is tandoori chicken. I hope you learned something today on how to cook tandoori chicken. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. See you on my next video. Bye.